Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you transfer your Ethereum safely, protecting your investments from potential risks. Why do this? Well, moving crypto to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X keeps it offline, away from hackers. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some Ethereum in it, and your Ledger Nano X device should be connected and unlocked. If you haven't already, download and install the Ethereum app on your Ledger. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and select the Ethereum wallet. You'll see your ETH balance there. Double-check it to ensure you have what you want to transfer. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app. This will display your wallet address. Carefully copy this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so avoid any typos. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger screen to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back in Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw option in your Ethereum wallet. Paste the Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. They can vary, so choose wisely for 2025's dynamic market. Before you hit confirm, take a deep breath and double-check everything. Once you proceed, Coinbase will process the transaction, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear on your ledger, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your Ethereum is now safely on your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.